Lately, I have been thinking about what really matters, not in a big, life-changing kind of way, but in the quiet moments of every day, of ordinary days. For a long time, my life has been pulled by routines and schedules and to-do lists, trying to do all of the things and in the right way. And those things still exist, but they don't feel like the center anymore. What feels most important now is how I'm with myself, how gently I move through my days, how much space I allow myself to be human, to be imperfect. And I've noticed how I'm with myself mirrors how I'm with the ones I love most. At some point, I stopped running, not because I finished healing and not because I fixed everything, but because I realized there was nothing wrong with me to begin with. I'm learning that loving myself and others doesn't mean improving or correcting anything. It just means letting myself be where I am, where they are, without judgment. And when I do that, even just a little bit, something inside of me softens and the day feels different. It's not that the day changes, it's that I'm finally inside of it. Time doesn't feel as loud here. I'm not rushing toward the next moment as much. I'm learning how to stay. When the noise falls away, truth becomes louder. I don't know if this is what people mean when they talk about unconditional love or true love, but it feels like releasing the need to fix or judge myself or anyone else. When I'm gentler with myself, I notice I'm gentler with others too. I expect less and I listen more. I don't feel the need to change what's in front of me. And that feels like a kind of love that I'm still learning. A way that I am still learning how to live. The world feels heavy at times. I feel it too, and I don't have answers for that. But I've noticed that when I return to loving my family and doing what I love, such as creating, being quiet, making something with my hands, I feel more like myself again. These small moments don't change the whole world, but they change my world. And maybe that's how the most important days begin. Maybe that's how every day should begin. Not someday, not when everything is figured out or healed, but here in the middle of an ordinary life.